In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create dependencies in Notion, step by step, using the timeline view, so you can visually connect tasks and manage projects more effectively. Dependencies are perfect for project management because they let you define which tasks need to happen before or after others, helping you avoid delays and confusion. If you use Notion for work, study, or personal projects, this is a feature you definitely want to master. And if you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the database where you want to create dependencies. This should be a database that already contains tasks or project items, ideally with date properties, like start dates or due dates. Once you're inside the database, make sure you're viewing it in any standard view, such as table or board, just to confirm you're in the right place. Next, look toward the top of your database and click on Add a new view. From the list of available view types, select Timeline. This view is essential because dependencies in Notion currently work inside the Timeline view. Give your Timeline view a name if you want, then click Create to open it. Once the Timeline view loads, go to the top right corner of the database and click on View Settings. From the menu that opens, click on More Settings. This is where Notion hides some of its more advanced features, including dependencies. Inside More Settings, find and click on Dependencies. When you enable this option, Notion will prompt you to set up dependency properties. These properties control how tasks relate to one another, such as which tasks are blocking others, or which ones depend on something else being finished first. After enabling dependencies, you'll see new options appear in your timeline. You can now click anywhere directly on the timeline to start adding dependencies between tasks. To do this, hover over a taskbar until you see small circular handles appear on either end. Click and drag from one task to another to create a dependency connection. At this point, you may want to rename the dependency labels so they make more sense for your workflow. For example, you can rename them to something like blocks and is blocked by, or depends on and required for. To rename them, open the dependency settings again and simply edit the property names. You can also add another dependency relationship if your project requires multiple connections. This is useful for complex projects where a single task might depend on several other tasks being completed first. Just repeat the same process, add another dependency, and rename it to clearly describe how tasks are connected. Now, start connecting tasks to each other. Click and drag between tasks in the timeline to visually link them. You'll see lines appear showing the dependency flow, making it very clear which tasks must be completed before others can begin. This makes planning and adjusting timelines much easier, especially when dates change. Once everything is connected, take a moment to review your timeline. Make sure the dependencies reflect the real order of work. If something looks off, you can simply click and remove a dependency or drag it to a different task. And that's it. You've successfully created dependencies in Notion using the timeline view. This setup is incredibly powerful for managing projects, tracking progress, and staying organized. If this video helped you, make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.